Azichem has been in the business of special materials and innovative technologies for the building and green building trade since 1987. Azichem constantly monitors the needs of modern construction for new builds and renovations, consolidations and restorations. In this way, the company is ahead of its time in terms of innovative services and products that provide concrete answers to an extensive variety of customers. Many resources are thus dedicated to research and development, the fundamental pillars on which the work of Azichem engineers is based. Indeed, achieving innovative solutions and developing new products requires countless trials, analyses and laboratory tests. Only then does an idea turn into a product. Just as only after extensive and demanding work do projects move on to production and distribution. Careful selection and storage of raw materials in controlled silos, along with precision dosing, mixing and packaging of products are the standard Azichem operations, combined with continuous and regular testing, plus the conformity of finished products. Complete control over the production process then ensures the strictest quality parameters. Indeed, Azichem has always been proud to represent the best of made in Italy and Europe and around the world. The main Azichem product lines are Aqua, products for waterproofing and repairs of building works. Building, products for new constructions and for the restoration and maintenance of residential buildings. Floor, technologies for the restoration and construction of concrete and washed stone flooring and screeds. Infratech, products for construction and maintenance in industrial, infrastructure and large-scale construction. Opus, products for the restoration, consolidation and restoration of damp walls and thermal insulation. Sanogen, the broadest range of natural and environmentally friendly products for eco-sustainable construction, ecological architecture and green building. All Azichem products are tested and checked before making their way onto the market to ensure that everything complies with the quality and performance characteristics dictated by the most recent and stringent national and European certifications. Azichem's technical, commercial and back-office structure facilitates the provision of guidance and information in real time. The communication of technical and corporate data is also completed online through the institutional portal and 12 dedicated websites. Azichem's strong commitment is further manifested in the speed of production, availability of stock and timely deliveries, thus providing certain and immediate responses to the customer. Over the years, Azichem has always operated on the basis of solid and long-lasting relationships with customers and suppliers alike, with an emphasis on problem solving, no matter how challenging, and an exceptional pre- and after-sales service, thanks and especially due to the continuous training and updating activities carried out by the company. We have long supported our customers in small to large-scale works, simple or complex operations, in new or old buildings, yet always with Azichem's signature reliability and professionalism.